Hello friends, welcome to Tech Hunt YouTube channel in English. This is Swarna. Coming to the first news is about Infinix. Infinix is a Hong Kong based company. Today it has launched a new mobile with the name Infinix Zero 8i in India today. Looking at the features of this mobile, it comes with 6.85-inch Full HD Plus display and it comes with 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate and also includes DTS HD sound surrounds. Infinix Zero 8i has an octa-core MediaTek Helio G90T SoC processor. It is coming with 8 GB of RAM. Coming to the camera, rear camera setup is 48 megapixel primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle and 2 megapixel depth. Dual self camera setup with 60 megapixel primary sensor and 8 megapixel secondary ultra wide angle lens. It also comes with 128 GB of internal storage and expandable micro SD card up to 256 GB. Infinix Zero 8i runs on Android 10 with XOS 7 on top. Coming to the connectivity, it includes 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, AGPS and Type-C portable charge. The phone comes with side-mounted fingerprint sensor and other sensor includes accelerometer, ambient light, gyroscope, magnetometer and proximity sensor. It is coming with 4000 mAh battery and supports 33 watt fast charging. The phone comes in silver diamond and black diamond colors. Features of this mobile Infinix Zero 8i is very good and it is value for money. It is available for sales on Flipkart starting from December 9th. The price of this mobile is 14,999 and it will be applicable for limited period of time. Coming to the next news is about Vivo. Vivo has launched already two mobiles in India by the name Vivo V20, Vivo V20 SE. Now, new mobile in India with the name Vivo V20 Pro. It will be available for sales on Vivo online stores, Flipkart, Amazon and retail shops. Coming to the specifications of this mobile, it comes with Snapdragon 765G SoC processor and it runs on Android 10 with FunTouch OS 11 and soon it is going to get Android 11, so no need to wait for a long time to get the updated version of the Android. This mobile will be available at the price of 29,990 rupees. For more details of the specifications of this mobile, you can refer earlier videos of ours. Coming to the next news is about Infinix again. During the launch of Infinix Zero 8i, the company has announced it is all set to launch two smart TVs in India. These two smart TVs will be launched by the end of this December. These smart TVs are coming in 32 inches and 43 inches screen sizes. Both the TVs will run on Android OS. Along with the TVs, it is going to launch a soundbar under Snoker sub-brand. Need to wait for some more time to get the details about this smart TV and soundbar. Coming to the next news is about Samsung. Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus have received the December 2020 Android security patch. Apart from this Android security patch, there is no changes or additions are brought to the phone. It will take few days for the update in all the handsets. Coming to the next news is about 4G mobile game. 4G mobile game was kept on Play Store 3 days back for pre-registrations. And today the company has shared happily that it has crossed 1 million plus pre-registrations on the Play Store. As of now, this mobile game is available on Android phones, not in the Apple stores. It is said that users who have pre-registered will get the notification for download and in few Android it will be downloaded automatically and installed. This 4G mobile game is like a patriotic game and interested users can download from the Play Store. Coming to the next news is about Poco. Poco has started its sales on live in Flipkart and bringing huge discounts on its mobiles. Coming to the price, Poco X3 is available at the price of 15,999. Poco C3 is available at the price of 6,999. Poco M2 is available at the price of 9,999 and M2 Pro is available at the price of 12,999. Flipkart is offering flat 5,000 instant discount with American Express cards, 5% unlimited cashback on Flipkart Axis Bank credit cards, 10% discount with Axis Bank Buzz credit cards, and no cost EMI plans on these Poco smartphones. Coming to the next news is about Qualcomm Snapdragon. Qualcomm has announced its new flagship processor Snapdragon 888 SoC system on chip. This Snapdragon 888 SoC is to deliver 25% higher performance power and 25% faster graphics. It also comes with Qualcomm Cryo 680 that is touted to provide up to 25% increase in overall CPU performance. It also includes Adreno 660 GPU that is touted to provide up to 35% faster graphics and 20% more power efficiency. The chipset is built on 5nm technology. It supports for enhanced 5G connectivity. It offers an all-new Wi-Fi connectivity and improved artificial intelligence experiences. Specifically for mobile gamers, 888 SoC comes along with Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite Gaming that is touted to provide highest HDR quality graphics and improve game rendering up to 30%. Let's wait and see which mobile is going to come first with this Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC. So friends, this is all for today's tech news. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. So friends, thank you. Bye bye.